In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Drop Cap text in WordPress. Adding Drop Cap text can be a great way to give your posts a more sophisticated and polished appearance, drawing your readers' attention to the start of your paragraphs. It's those big, fancy letters that you've probably seen in some newspapers or magazines, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to create the same effect on your website. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by navigating to your website's URL followed by WP admin. Once you've entered your credentials and successfully logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard, which is your control panel for customizing your site. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate the post or page where you'd like to add the drop cap. Head over to the Posts or Pages section, depending on where your text is located, and find the relevant piece of content. Click on it to open the editor, where you can make changes to your text. Once inside the editor, you'll want to switch to the block editor if you aren't in it already, as this method relies on it. With the block editor open, select the paragraph that starts the text you'd like to enhance with a drop cap. You should see a toolbar appear above or next to the text, offering multiple formatting options. Now, here's the key part: look for the Block tab on the right-hand side of your editor. If you don't see it, click on the gear icon or Settings to bring up this sidebar. With the Block tab selected, you should see an option labeled Drop Cap. Simply toggle this option to On, and like magic, the first letter of your paragraph will transform into a drop cap. You might want to preview how this looks to ensure it aligns with your aesthetic. To do this, click on the Preview button at the top of the page. This shows you how the drop cap appears with the rest of your content and gives you a chance to see the impact it has on your reader's first impression. A quick tip: keep in mind that the style of your drop cap may largely depend on your WordPress theme. If you're not satisfied with the default appearance, you might need to adjust your theme's settings or even dive into some custom CSS for more styling flexibility. But don't worry if you aren't satisfied with the default look, you can always revert if needed. And there you have it. Creating drop cap text in WordPress is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Remember, this little touch can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps elevate your content creation experience.